Hello and welcome back to Simple Tech Reviews. Today we'll be having a look at the SVICloud 10S TV box with international streaming TV channels. But before we begin, please consider subscribing so we can bring you more videos like this. Over 2,000 TV channels, over 200,000 video on-demand titles, all sport events, adult and kid-friendly content. This is what the SVICloud 10S promises. And this is their new budget 2025 model and claims to be the smart box that does it all. But is it actually the ultimate cord cutter's dream? Or are we just looking at a $200 ticket to sailing the high seas? Let's begin with a quick unboxing and find out. Having a closer look, on the front we have a black strip where the IR receiver sits and a single small white LED that lights up when the device is on. On the left there is a single USB 2.0 port, and on the back is the USB-C power port, a reset pinhole, another USB 2.0 port, an Ethernet port, the HDMI video out, and an optical audio out port. The included keyboard lights up and uses two AAA batteries. Hardware-wise, the 10S has 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, and it's running Android 12. The fact that they use USB-C for power is modern and very welcome. Video out supports 4K HDR and uses the new AV1 video decoding, which should translate to smoother streaming with less data. The remote control is surprisingly nice too. You can pair it with Bluetooth, which is a great advantage over infrared only. It's got an AI voice search and these customizable shortcut keys. Now, getting into the SVICloud interface, it's got a pretty standard TV box aesthetic with colorful tiles, with some fixed ones and others that you can personalize at the bottom. It works very much like every other TV box out there, but with one huge exception. And that is that you can use it to gain access to over 2,000 live TV channels and more. We're talking sports, news, and international stations from all over the globe. If you're looking for media from China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Korea, Philippines, Thailand, or Japan, this thing is basically a goldmine. It is very clearly tailored for the Asian market, with massive sections for a variety of shows that are usually impossible to find in the West. But they do have a Western section. You got your US, UK, and Canadian channels tucked in there, plus shows and movies from the big guys of streaming too. There's also a pretty large kids, anime, and adult sections if you're interested in any of those. Now let's talk about the gray area of all of this. The main question is this legal? SVICloud includes a disclaimer where they tell you that they aren't hosting the content, they're just providing the doorway to it. One thing to note though is that in order to make all of this work, you don't need to sign into any systems like Google Play or input any credentials. You just download the apps and go. Let's just be clear, I'm not saying that this particular box has any specific security issues, but you should know that you are no longer in an official space like when you are with official streaming apps and devices. In the end, it's all up to you and what you would like to do. In conclusion, the SVICloud 10S is a fascinating bit of tech. It's capable for what it sets out to do, and for someone trying to keep up with shows, say from back home in Asia, it quickly becomes a cheaper option than holding a dozen different subscriptions, if you are okay with sailing the high seas for big savings on streaming subscriptions. But what do you think? Is the dream of no monthly fees worth the plunge? Or are you sticking with the many subscriptions that you already have? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss our next review. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.